Vietnam, not all the countries, but yes, quite a few of them, as we now move to Oriental Cherry from Japan. Performed the steed dance.
और अब इंडोनेशिया की सांस्कृतिक झलक, ठीक भारत की तरह इंडोनेशिया का भी सांस्कृतिक इतिहास काफी पुराना। कहते हैं नदी के साथ प्रगति हुई।
To Mongolia in the song Vast Stretch of Grasslands, and the call at this closing ceremony is to each of the nations to please leave your wonderful song. That's the emblem of the Olympic Council of Asia, which has been formed in the Pearl River adjoining this venue. And these are the boats which represent the 45 nations of Asia that have taken part in the 16th Asian Games at Guangzhou in China. The skyline of Guangzhou, a modern trading city. It's the third most important city. Sunshine again in the Orient, where the sun rises the Orient. And also a tribute to the 45 nations. And this is a bird's eye view of the venue here in Xinsha, High Xinsha Island, which is the delta of the Pearl River. And on the right you see the fireworks going off in a vertical way. That's the new television tower of Guangzhou. And a tribute to the 5 mascots, A Shang, A Ru, Le Yang Yang, A Yi and A He. There have been more than 10,000, about 10,000 athletes here at the 16 Asian Games, which has grown over the time, Rajesh. And you know, this all began in 1951 when the first Asian Games were held in New Delhi, and there were only 11 nations that participated in the.
जबकि भारत 6वें स्थान पर रहा, 14 स्वर्ण पदक, 17 रजत और 38 कांस्य पदक। कुल मिला के भारत को मिले 67। और जोसलिन, जहां तक भारतीय प्रदर्शन का सवाल, कहना होगा कि इस बार भारत का प्रदर्शन काफी अच्छा रहा। और आप देख सकते हैं कि खिलाड़ियों के चेहरे में कितनी खुशी, लेकिन कहीं गम भी है, क्योंकि आज 16वें एशियाई खेल समाप्त हो रहे हैं। कहते हैं उजाले अपनी यादों को हमारे साथ रहने दो।
His Excellency State Council, Madame Liu Yangdong, my colleague from the Olympic Council of Asia. I now have the honor to officially declare the 16 Asian Games closed.
और इसी के साथ 16वें एशियाई खेल
President of the OCA, and then to the representatives from Incheon. This is the torch of the first Asia that was held at New Delhi in 1951. Mantle is now passing on to Incheon in Korea.
पान को 48।
These are pictures of the days gone by at the opening ceremony.